Artificial intelligence, or AI technologies, especially tools like ChatGPT, have revolutionized how we approach legal research and case preparation. While AI can provide a broad range of insights and information, it's also so important to use it judiciously, complementing traditional legal research methods, not replacing them. ChatGPT is accessible in both free and subscription-based formats, with the latter offering enhanced capabilities. It can be a valuable tool for drafting legal documents, articulating your case, and preliminary legal research. You can find it at chat.openai.com, and you simply type questions into the little chat box there, and you simply have a conversation. But just like this course, remember that ChatGPT is not legal advice. It can help you in many ways, but it is not going to give you reliable or valid legal advice. So how can it help you? Drafting assistance. ChatGPT can guide you in drafting legal documents by suggesting structure and content. However, make sure that any generated text aligns with legal standards and is personalized to your case. You can prompt it by saying something like, here's the story of what happened to me in my own words, and then you type out the story. Put this in an easy to understand and professional narrative structure to help me tell my story better. Case strategy. ChatGPT can assist in formulating your narrative and identifying potential causes of action. Use it to refine your arguments and to explore different legal perspectives. You can say, here are some arguments I'm thinking of making. Help me figure out ways to make my language more persuasive. Identifying causes of action. By analyzing your case's facts, ChatGPT can suggest possible legal claims. This process involves identifying applicable laws and potential legal strategies based on the narrative you provide, but you'll need to verify everything with traditional legal research. Cautionary note, while AI is a starting point, you must approach its suggestions with caution. Always cross-reference AI-provided information with up-to-date legal resources. AI tools like ChatGPT are usually not completely up-to-date with the most recent legal cases, and even worse, they sometimes hallucinate, meaning they make up cases or other laws that don't even exist. Best practices when using ChatGPT. Source citation. Always request ChatGPT to cite its sources. This helps in making sure that there's a real origin there and not a hallucination. Same thing with verification. Any statutes or other laws it cites, look them up in traditional legal research tools. Beware hallucinations, made-up cases, and out-of-date information. AI, and specifically ChatGPT, can significantly aid you in preparing your case from research to document drafting. However, its utility lies in being a partner to thorough legal research and preparation, not a substitute. Use ChatGPT wisely and verify all information independently. If you do this, it really can be an amazing thought partner for you in your pro se journey.